Hi, mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I'm Victoria. Today is actually our first day back to work, and I had dinner with my friends, except for one because his baby was sick. But they gave me gifts. So if you want to find out what's inside, like I'm excited. Stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. Okay, I'm not the type of person who would like to do an unboxing video of the gifts that you actually receive. I actually received during Christmas, belated Merry Christmas and maybe advance Happy New Year. I'm tired, I'm sleepy, but these two friends of mine actually did mention or did ask whether are you going to do an unboxing video of our gifts? And I said, oh, okay. So I had I have one small box, and let's open this up first. And Holly, my best friend, one of my best friends ever in the world, gave me this gift. He doesn't give me gifts. He likes to feed me. So that's why. This is the gift. He did mention this morning when he passed it to me that you're going to like this gift and it's going to be perfect if you do an unboxing video. It only made me like intrigued. Oh, smells nice. Oh, aww. It's from Centered, restoring lifestyle balance naturally. I want to be happy. It's a therapy balm treatment candle. Aww. Reach for be happy on days when you're feeling less than your best and need an extra lift. Our sunshine blend of uplifting pink grapefruit. I don't want to cry on in my video, but this is how it looks like. This is like aromatherapy. I love candles. I like uplift your moods, a boost of positivity. Aww. So there's this. Stop and apply to pulse points and inhale deeply. Ooh. This is a candle and a balm. As if I need positivity more, being happy. Thank you, Mr. Cole. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that we take our breath away. This is such an awesome gift. Oh my goodness. And I like a box. You can actually recycle it. It smells so nice. Thank you, Mr. Cole. I need that. I'm excited to use it. Thank you, Hoyi. Thank you, Sean. I love you both. Then is this box. It's this huge box that I carried, or actually my brother carried from Orchard to Bishan. But we did take the train, but he was the one who's carrying this. Serena actually sent me a message asking, do you want it assembled or not assembled? Then I not assembled because I do have my brother or my husband to assemble it for me, but everything is in Chinese. She did say that I can use it. She actually wanted me to record my brother like assembling this. Let's see, maybe I can just assemble it by myself. Hey, what is this? Oh, it's a makeup organizer. Then why do I need my brother to assemble it? Oh my goodness, it's those acrylic makeup organizer. You know why I love my friends so much? Because they tolerate all my crazy ideas. They just... wait! So there's 3 pieces or 3 parts. My brother is actually playing and he can actually hear me talking with my broken English. Oh my goodness, Serena! You spoiled me! And the funny thing was, she was even saying that, oh, if you do leave Singapore, how would you bring it? Nah, I can bring this. Okay. So this is the second part, wherein it has like, how do you call this? Drawers. And each drawer actually has a, and I'm opening it up like normally. It's supposed to be this way, and it has like linings, so you can either use it for makeup or for your one more. You know, the funny thing is, if I actually drop this and break, it's an acrylic makeup case. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Great. So, wait, bye-bye box. I don't need you. So this is like the third, I guess. Is this in the bottom? I guess this is in the bottom. It's just one big drawer. So this will be at the bottom. This will be here. Or then this will be at the side. I don't need to stack them, but one thing cool is that you can open this up and put all your foundations. Or you can put this here. And then wait, so what's the assembling part? Where's the assembling part? I don't need to assemble this. This is how it looks like. Oh. Thank you, Miss Serena Lynch-Chenois. I actually needed this. I've always wanted to have like acrylic. Thank you guys. I love you all. So, I'm excited. I would rearrange my vanity. I love this. I love this. I love it. So, if you like this type of videos, we're in, you know, I just do random things and share with you guys. Please do give this video a big thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I do upload videos at least once a week. So, Happy New Year! Till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!